How to create location in Life360 app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Life360 app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to create a location in your account of Life360, you need to make sure that you are in this location page. Also, make sure that you have turned on the location sharing. Now, in order to create a new location, here in this location page, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see the places section. Tap on this manage places option. From here, you can create a new location in your account. It has given you the default options to set your school location, your work location, your gym location, for your grocery store. If you want to create a custom location, you can tap on this add a new place option at the top. You can enter the address, or you can even choose from the map. You can give a name for this location. Once you set the name for this location, you can tap on it, and there you go. You've successfully created a new location into your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.